When Mosaic first contacted our group, we immediately began analyzing the problem they presented us with. The piping of their sprinkler system was in immediate need of replacement, and the current method to do so would take 5 years of on and off work. The current method that they are using involves a bucket to house the piping while the workers work off the side of the skip. The skip itself is fit tightly within the mine shaft, making space a high priority. This, coupled with the necessity for safety of the workers, led us to believe that Kalanze needed a faster, more efficient, and safer method for loading the piping onto the side of the mine shaft. We found that the main reason for the current inefficiency was due to the fact that the current method can only hold 3 pipes at once. Our final design would have to exceed this number. And all of them did. Our first design was a bundling system intended to hold multiple pipes together while the workers loaded them into the shaft. Our second design was a multi-rotating crane intended to make for an easy loading of the pipes. Our third design was an attachment for the cage on the bottom of the skip. Our final design involved creating a new cage for underneath the skip that would house both the pipes and the workers who would install them. This cage would be a little over 20 feet tall and follow the outline of the skip as for its overall shape. It would also have to be cut somewhat in the middle so as to fit between the guide wire of the shaft and the skip itself. For our prototype, we decided to focus on the hanging system of the skip to see if this met our safety parameters and if this would be easy enough for the workers at Kalanze to use. Once finished, we went down to the Hardy lab to start making the prototype. While most of the body was made out of 2x4s and wood screws, the hangers were made from a laser cutting system that was provided to us by the Hardy lab. One of our recommendations to Kalanze, should they decide to go with our design, is to round out the corners and the I-beams to make for an easier installation. Since this design was not the first one our group came up with, we would have to say that the biggest lesson that we learned was about reiterating, constantly coming up with new designs, and just looking at things that we might be missing throughout the project. Thank you for listening to our presentation. This has been Group 17.